Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Windows 11 latest update KB5074109. Recently Microsoft rolled out 2026 first security update. So I will show you now how to download this update, how to download and install this update. So for that just open Windows settings. Open Windows settings, otherwise just right click on this Windows logo, tap on settings, tap on Windows Update, tap on check for updates. So it will display now. If there any downloads available, it will display actually. Just wait for a few seconds. We'll check for updates. Now you can see here is displaying the updates actually. After it display updates, just tap on the download and install. So it is going to start download. So after download is finished, it will install automatically. You can see here the update actually. Security update KB5074109. You can see here the OS build number 26200. You can check the revision number also 763. Just open run dialog box and type inversion. So currently the revision number is 7462. So after the download is finished, after the download and installation is finished, the revision number it will change it to 7623. The OSBuild number it will fix, but the revision number it is going to change 7623. Let me restart the PC. After restarting the PC, the revision number is automatically changed. Now the download it will take some time actually. It will not take much time. Maybe to download and install it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Let it be download. So after restarting the PC, we will see what are the features introduced with this update actually. You can check here now. The download and installation is completed. Tap on the restart now. For your time. You can check here now. The system restarted. Let me check the user number. For that, open run dialog box. Type winversion. Tap on OK. Now you can check here. The revision number is changed to 7623. For the revision number is 7462. So after the update is installed, the revision number is automatically changed. So we will discuss about the features introduced with this update. The first thing is they removed the drivers actually. These drivers that supports the modems actually. So after you installing this update, KB5074109, these drivers are automatically removed actually. These drivers are located at C drive. Open my computer. Open C drive. Tap on Windows. Open System32. Tap on drivers. So actually these drivers are located this location actually. But after installation of this KB5074109, the drivers no longer available. Next thing is, next feature is generally when you open Fileexplorer, you can see the quick access here. Now it is changed to recommended section actually. So I will show you now how to enable the recommended section. For that, you need to tap on these three dots, tap on options, check this box, show recommended section. Tap on apply, tap on OK. So after you check the box, the quick access is changed to recommended section actually. So this recommended section act as same like recent. So will display actually what are the frequently opened files and what are the recently downloaded files. All will display in recommended section actually. You can check the recently downloaded files and recently opened files will display in the recommended section. And one more feature is DragTray actually. But this DragTray it is previously rolled out with another update, but gradually roll out by system actually. DragTray it is gradually roll out actually. Some features are gradually rolling out. So recently this DragTray also enabled in the system. So how to enable this DragTray? I will show you now. Using this DragTray, you can share any files, the applications. I will show you now how to share any document or any file or any pictures, the applications. So first you need to enable this DragTray. For that, just open settings, tap on this, right click on this Windows logo, and tap on settings. Otherwise, you can directly open settings also. Tap on system, tap on nearby sharing. Here you can see the DragTray. So using this DragTray, drag and drop content to share, move, or more. So just toggle this button on to enable this DragTray. For example, I want to share one file, the documents. I want to share one file in the documents. The documents. Just hold that file and drag. So after when you're dragging, you can see the one slide bar in here actually on the top of the window. Just hold the file and just drag. When you're dragging, you can see here. You will open one slide bar actually. So you can share this file with Outlook or otherwise you can share with the iPhone, otherwise Copilot. otherwise Microsoft Teams. Otherwise, you can directly move to any folder also. If you drag here on the more options, it will open another window actually. So I'm just dragging, just dropping on the more options. When you drop on the more options, directly it will open another window. At that time, just select that application. To which application you want to share the document actually. You want to share with the quick share also, you can tell that quick share. You want to share with the Outlook, just select the Outlook. Otherwise, if you want to share with the whatever the application you want to share, which application you want to share, just tell that application. This way you can share any document or file or any also with this DragTray actually. One more feature, that is displaying different color for battery icon while charging. This is also previous feature only, but gradually roll out to the system. In case if you don't connect the charger, it will display black color. If the battery is low, it will display yellow color. If you connect the charger, it will display green color actually. Right now I didn't connect my charger. So let me connect the charger. So after connecting the charger, the color will change to green automatically. You can observe here. After I connecting my charger, the color is changed to green color actually. Let me disconnect also. So after disconnecting, the color is automatically changed to black again. In case the battery is low, the color it will display yellow for battery icon. That's it guys. That's all about this KB5074109 Windows update. If you like this video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. For more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, family also. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time.